Hi everybody, this is homework number 4, and I just want to go over a couple basic ways that we're going to use measurements to help us out. So I'm going to look at the balance, the bottom balance one here, and what I need you to notice first is the middle balance. And why? Because the middle one has the largest number on it starting in the hundreds. So if you take a look at that, you're going to notice that the arrow is pointing at 400. So I'm going to start my number up by saying it is 400 something. From there, I'm going to take a look at my next largest number, which is going to be found on the top row, which is 30. So I'm going to say it's 430. And now I have to look at the itty bitty ones. And I want you to notice that your small one lies in between 4 and 5. Did everybody see that? If it's between 4 and 5, it's going to be 434 point. And now I'm going to have to do some really careful counting. Each one of those marks is going to be a 0.1. So looking down, let me see if I can grab my pointer. Looking down, I got 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. So I'm going to say that this is 434.6 grams. Okay, taking a look at my rulers, my metric ruler. Notice that each one of these has 10 in it. Same down here because they're metric. And there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So knowing that, I'm going to go up and take a look at the first one. And since it's not quite reached 7 yet, I'm going to have to say that this is 6 point. And now all you're doing is counting tick marks. I know that this big one here is 0.5. So now I'm going to count starting with 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So this is going to be 6.8 centimeters. Don't forget your units. Okay? Looking down at the bottom, don't forget that when you are looking at a graduated cylinder and looking at the volume, you have to make sure that you're reading but with the meniscus. And the meniscus, again, if I'm looking at a graduated cylinder, the meniscus is the very bottom portion of that measurement. So if I'm focusing on this one, my bottom measurement is 8.0 milliliters. Okay? I hope this helps. I'll see you next class.